this part of the video for those who are curious to see what it would look like if you needed to print your Cartwheel barcode and coupon from home. And this is specifically for those who do not have the mobile phone, or you have a mobile phone where you're not able to access the app and you can just print it from home. So at the top of the screen, as I mentioned in the video, that you have this print Cartwheel barcode and coupons at the top of the screen. So if you're at home and you're sitting in front of your computer, you go here, click print Cartwheel barcode and coupons, and it will generate the coupons with the barcode on all the items that you have in your cartwheel. So when you get ready to wheel your cart to the checkout, you will be able to have this paper in hand to show that you have Cartwheel and these are the items that you want to save discounts on. And that is how it is done. And hopefully this is useful to you and you find really good benefits from this. Again, my channel is to help you all to find ways how to save money and be able to budget appropriately to the things that you enjoy in life. And with all this, thank you again for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you. Bye.